this video I explain how to allow apps through Firewall on Windows 10. Windows 10 is known to be equipped with several security features to keep your device and data protected from unauthorized access, malware, and other attacks via a powerful firewall called Windows Defender. Although Windows Defender Firewall does a very good job at managing the applications and features that are allowed to communicate over the network, but sometimes you may need to manually allow or deny an app. The app might be trusted, but the firewall is preventing it from working. Here are the steps on how to allow applications through the firewall on Windows 10. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. When the Settings window opens, click on Update and Security. On the left side, click on Windows Security. Inside Windows Security, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then mouse down, and click the Allow an App Through Firewall option. You will find two types of networks. The first is private, which is to allow the application to access the network at home or at work, and second network public, allows the application to access the network from a public place or from the internet. And this list includes all the applications and also features. Before making any changes to applications, click the Change Settings button. As an example, we will allow the remote desktop to communicate on both networks, private and public. After selecting the application, we allow it in the private network, and also in the public network. And click on the OK button, and if you want to block an application through the firewall, you can follow the same steps, but be sure to clear the check mark of the application or feature that you want to deny access to the net.